All right, come on, kids.
Okay.
Come on. Oh my gosh, what do you have?
A bike.
What? Lily, go look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow. Skateboard.
Look.
Daddy?
You got a skateboard, Mikey?
Yes, but don't you think this would be a
Lily,
little
Lily,
too...
what's that?
What is it?
Mom, don't you think this would be a little hard to skateboard on? Do you?
It looks hard.
Looks hard.
Wait. My sister has a Tinkerbell thing. I would have to share my leafster with her because it's a leafster game.
Hey.
Tinkerbell.
What?
What? You're kidding. I don't have to share my leafster.
What's that next to your hand, Daddy? What's that thing?
A leafster.
What is that? Mikey, check it out. Open it up.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
What games are in it?
I don't know.
Mikey, you got a DS?
Yeah. And I got a helmet.
Whoa.
My bike and living clothes.
Lily, you got a crib for your baby?
Yeah.
And she got this bike? Princess bike?
New clothes.
New clothes and a helmet?
Yes, all the new clothes.
Mikey's tearing into something. What is it?
I think the games are in it. Mario, turn it back to what's our game?
What games did you get?
The game that I really want for Wii Bad, I got it for DS.
Awesome.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay, see you guys later.